today we are having a very eminent person with us. So I feel very happy and glad to introduce our resource person, Mr. A.V. Sambandam, Chief Executive Officer, Technology Business Incubator, Directorate of Agriculture, Agribusiness Development, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore. Our resource person started his career in the year 1991, served in Southern Petrochemical Industries Corporation Limited. After that, resource person served many roles in Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. Also, he received many awards from reputed institutions. He achieved Eminent Service Award from Southern Petrochemical Industries Corporation Limited and received Best Landscape Consultant Award from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University and Rotary Club, Best Stall Award by Sugarcane Breeding Institute, Coimbatore. So on behalf of AJK College of Arts and Science, so hearty welcome you, sir, for this wonderful session. And I extend my welcome to our faculty members and my dear students for this wonderful session. Sir, the session handed over to you, sir. Thank you.
Anna, good morning. Thank you for your welcome address. It's an opportunity for me to talk to all the students of AJK School of Management. And I thank Dr. Uma Maheshwari Madam first for giving me an opportunity to meet all the students and faculties. I welcome all the students, faculties of the AJK college, and all the students who have participated in the session today. A warm welcome to you all. Briefing you about the Technology Business Incubator activities. So this Technology Business Incubator of TNIU was started in the year 2011, and since then it is being registered as a society. It is called the Agribusiness Incubation Society. And so as per the mandate of the funding agency is the Government of India, Departments of Science and Technology. So that is the DST gave us the Technology Business Incubator in 2011. So from that period onwards, we have been servicing the entrepreneurs. We have been hand-holding them. And now almost we are now in the 9th year now. So we are a very old incubator among the technology business incubators functioning across the country. And so we have been ranked the largest agribusiness incubator in the country with a large number of startups enrolled as members. As of today, TBI TNIU is having about 340 members enrolled in the business incubator for getting the services. So this is the largest membership services offered from the TBI TNIU. And I am proud to tell you that. So we have been ranked the best incubator also. And so our major services is actually we are offering support services on so any entrepreneur or an individual or a farmer walking into the incubator asking for a support on the agribusiness side. So they will be guided initially with the technological support, because you all may be knowing TNIU is a university which is having 50 plus departments. So each department is having its own expertise, and so a lot of expertise are available. So any entrepreneur walking into the incubator asking for a support will be enrolled as a member in the Technology Business Incubator first. So we are having 4 types of membership in the TBI. So number 1, we are having a category for individuals without a registered company and farmers, individual farmers. And so we are having a category for partnership firms, proprietorship firms, LLPs, and farmer producer organizations. So farmer producer organization is nothing but a group of farmers minimum 100 to maximum 1000 farmers being in a group, and these farmers will cultivate a particular crop. So, for example, I would say Pollachi, it is famous for coconuts, Pollachi Udumalpet belt. So, there are few FPOs in the name called the Pollachi Farmer Producer Company. So, likewise, across Tamil Nadu, there are about 200 and more than 200 FPOs are there. So, about 10 FPOs are registered in our TPI. So all these categories, they fall in the B category. So C category is private, public, limited companies, and D category is for companies from MNCs. So all put together, 340 members we are having now, and our membership includes the farmers, individual farmers, then partnership firms, proprietorship firms, private limited companies, then we are having a major domain is concentrated on the food processing area. So you all know that food processing is going to be the future of the world, not only the country. It is going to be the future of the world. And so major area is in the food processing side. And so this food processing area is going to be a major boom. So you all would have seen during this COVID, and so you had seen lot of people searching for groceries, vegetables, fruits. So the sustenance of the human beings is first thing criteria. So in that category, so food processing is going to be having a very good boom, and there is a forecast from the all sectors that agri sector is going to be having a very big boom after this COVID. So we see a lot of that activity going on now as such. And so another one major area is the farm and bio inputs. So that area, a lot of inquiries coming. So a lot of entrepreneurs are there into that. Manufacturing of biofertilizers, biopesticides, so seed material, organic manures. So a lot of things are there. So the third major area is actually the renewable energy, like your solar energy. So a lot of things are there, biogas, and so a lot of entrepreneurs are into that area also. Again, we have a few more in the wealth from waste concept. You all know that the coir industry is having a lot of waste from the coir industry. So a lot of materials are being made from the coir industry. It is having a very good export market also. So again, a lot of material is being done from the banana fiber, which is being thrown as a waste after harvested banana. So it is also having a very good export market again. So likewise, jute is again having its own significance. So you all know that the polythene is almost banned, and so in future, no plastic or polythene carry bags are not going to be used. So people are searching for alternatives. So cloth bags, paper bags, jute bags, banana fiber bags, all these biodegradable bags are going to have a very good value in the future. So we have entrepreneurs who are in the all our entrepreneurs all are in the manufacturing side. So they are actually manufacturing farm inputs, agri implements, food processing equipments. So a lot of things are being done. So most of them are in the seed production also. And again, about 30-40 members are into the mushroom cultivation. So which is going to have a very good boom, and already there is a very huge market for the mushroom. You all may be knowing there are 3 types of mushroom which we normally come across. One is the leaf mushroom, another one is the button mushroom, another one is the milky mushroom. So that milky mushroom is released by TNIU. So it's a variety strain released by TNIU, which will have a more shelf life. So about 5 days shelf life will be there, and the taste of the mushroom also will be very good. And it can come up in a place where temperature is up to 45 degrees centigrade. So it is having its own value. So all these 3 types of mushroom growers are there in TPI. So apart from that, innovations are there. A lot of innovative products like your solar insect traps. Then we have solar tunnel dryers, 24 hours drying is there. So a lot of innovative products are there. So we have people working on the IoT and artificial intelligence. You all know that that is going to gain the sequence in the future. So AI and IoT in agriculture. So that is what is the aim. So a lot of our entrepreneurs are into that area also. So we are actually hand-holding on the technical side. Individual comes to the technology business incubator, he will be supported technically first. A person may come with an idea or without an idea. A person coming with the idea will be guided to convert the idea to prototype. Already a person who developed the prototype will be converted to make it as a product. So, and for validation, certification of the product. So all products have to be certified, value added before being put to the market. So that is the major idea. So TNA is having to enable accredited labs. One is the Post Harvest Technology Center, another one is the Toxicology Laboratory. And we are having other laboratory also, like quality control testing for biofertilizers, manures, organic manures. So soil science laboratory is there. So all these laboratories are helping our entrepreneurs. Please excuse me for a minute. So validation is very, very important. So we are having a few member companies also, like you have the two enable accredited labs again. One is in Salem and another one is the food processing testing laboratory in Chennai. So it is a sister concern of Achi Masala. So we are having so Achi Masala, Shakti Masala, Mahindra and Mahindra. So almost all your MNC big companies are members of TPI. So they have come to TPI for getting the support, technical support from the TPI. So all these are happening in TPI. And so I was telling you about the technical support. Number 2 is validation certification. Number 3 is we help them on the product development, and we help them on the packaging, labeling, how to package a product. We are having a food packaging laboratory here, and so it is open for incubators. So the packaging side help is there. So we guide them on getting the certification for various products. For example, if it is a food product, it is going to be the FSSAI certification is required. So we guide them to get an FSSAI certificate. So likewise, we are actually doing a lot of activity on the promotion of the whatever guidelines followed by the ministry. It should be followed by the entrepreneur. So later on, we guide them for the financial assistance also. So 5 nationalized banks are members of the technology business incubator. So far, they have given about 9 crores as business loan from nationalized banks alone. And we have got a lot of grants for our members also through the RKVY, Ministry of Agriculture. So this year we have got about 1.5 crore grant for about 12 of our members. So again, MSME is one area where grants are available. So we have got about 1 crore from MSME for our members. So all the government subsidies, grants, wherever possible, we guide our members to get the subsidies and grants. So later on, we help them in the project proposal also. Later on, finally, we put them into the market also. So market linkages is very, very important. We have a very good network for linking them to the market linkages. So this is actually a complete support we are offering in TPA, starting from the product development to the putting the product to the market. So in between the IPR services also we are offering. So I myself, I am a patent holder for 2 patents. And so we guide a entrepreneur how to file a patent, draft a patent, and get a trademark registration, design patents. So all support are being offered. So any entrepreneur walking into the incubator need not go out of the incubator in search of anything. Everything is available within the incubator. And so we are, apart from the TPI, we are running one more project called the RKVY, supported by the Ministry of Agriculture. Every year we are getting a grant of about 2.5 crores for that. So the last year we supported about 6 entrepreneurs for getting 1.5 crore. The same support we are going to do this year also. We are having an agripreneurship orientation program and the startup agribusiness incubation program simultaneously, which is running. And another one new project from the Department of Science and Technology has been got this year. It is called the Entrepreneur in Residence. It is called Nidhi EAR. So for that, we are having a 50 lakh grant this year. And we are going to select the EARNs. Already the call is open and the process is there. So they will be getting a stipend of about 30,000 per month. So 12 months they have to be in the incubator. They will be trained to start a business. So all these 3 projects are simultaneously going on in the TPI as of now. And we are having the facilities like we are offering office space for an entrepreneur inside the TPI. They can have an administrative office. So likewise, we are having a centralized exhibition hall where all the products of the incubators are kept. We are having a food packaging laboratory, they can use the facility. We are having a conference hall facility, meeting hall facility, everything is open for entrepreneurs. They can come here, conduct meeting, and they can go. So all these support services are offered from the TBI, and we are shortly in the span of opening a retail sales outlet inside the TNIU for all the TBI incubating products. So that is also there. So with the wholesome support, I think we are managing the services being offered to the TBI members. And so our membership includes individual farmers, then FPOs, then firms, then we have banks, we have few institutions also. 4 institutions across Coimbatore also are members in the TBI for getting the student entrepreneurship support. And so we have other consultants. We have an IPR consultant, we are having a project consultant. So all support services are well within the TBA. So this is actually considered to be a model incubator, and based on this incubator, 5 more incubators have been set up across Tamil Nadu in various TNI colleges. One is at Madurai, another one is at Killikulam, then Medupalayam, then Periyakulam, Tiruchi. So this is a brief up on what is about the technology business incubator. And with this, I think this is a brief up. So I conclude with this introduction now today. So I have told madam that one more day, I will fix up a time, convenient time, and I'll give a link through Zoho so that all students can participate in that. I'll be talking in brief about what are the ventures we are supporting, and so that kind of things, it will be an eye opener for you. So with this, I conclude my session today. So I thank Uma Maheshwari madam for taking all the efforts for fixing up the program, and also for conducting this session. Thank you, madam. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much for your presentation, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody.